Techno CNC Patriot instructions. Techno CNC interface. Turn on the CNC machine by finding the black power switch on the left-hand side of the machine. Locate the Techno CNC by clicking on the icon on your desktop or in the startup menu on the computer. If it asks you to enable the controller, click yes. Insert the workpiece into the cam lock clamps. You may want to fit spacers in between the rails and the workpiece to avoid exceeding the limits of the router. These spacers are located in the neighboring Patriot's drawer. This one doesn't close, so don't force it. Use the Allen wrench and the cam levers to secure the clamps in place. Insert the tool bit you want to use with the collet wrench in the drawer. Good luck opening it. Pull hard or pull harder, and don't forget to retighten the collet snugly. Next, follow these steps to tell the CNC machine where your datum position is. If needed, go back into the V-Carve profile and make sure that you know what you set your datum point as. Use the X and Y controller buttons on the computer screen to position the point of the bit as close to the corner of the datum position on the workpiece as possible. The Z will be taken care of later on. Press the 0 button. Click on X, press the 0 button again, click on Y, open the machine's front door, and it will take some muscle. To set the Z0, use the touch top plate attached to the spindle column. It is located on the left-hand side and it's set in a slot. Set the metal touch top tool plate on the surface of your workpiece. Position the tool bit above the thinner section of the plate using the X, Y, and Z controls on the computer screen, and press Tool. Click Touch Off Z0 position. The machine will slowly lower the router until it senses that the bit has touched the plate. Return the plate to its slot. Move the bit to the XY origin, the datum position, by clicking on Go To, click XY0, and then Go. You are now initialized. Congratulations. Close the door, and this again takes some muscle. Click on File and locate your saved .nc file. Click on the file name and then OK. Press Pre-Process and ignore any error messages. Note that a runtime is displayed in the top left box of the window. Press Start to run your program. Click OK on the pop-up window that appears. Click Resume until the spindle starts to cut. Be ready to hit the emergency stop button on the front of the machine in case you make a mistake and your bit goes awry. Ta-da!